I'm an Indian. I'm proud to be an Indian. I am proud to be an Indian. Because so many people got name and fame for this country. Lord Buddha, he was born in India. Swami Vivekananda, he was born in India. Gandhi Mahatma, he was also born in India. Okay, but in the same way, some great people got name and fame to this country. Really, we should be very proud to say, yes, I am an Indian. I am an Indian. Like this, not only saying like this, we must do our duty also. First of all, as students, what you have to do? What is your duty? What is your prime duty? Anyone? Yes, study, education. We have to study well. So, by education,